Welcome to our video showcasing 15 outdoor kitchens perfect for luxury entertaining. From Mediterranean escapes to Japanese Zen retreats, we're diving into a variety of stunning outdoor kitchen designs that not only elevate your backyard but also enhance your entertaining experience. Whether you prefer rustic charm or modern minimalism, these inspiring spaces will spark your creativity and transform your outdoor gatherings into unforgettable events. Join us as we explore luxurious designs that blend functionality with aesthetic brilliance. 1. The Mediterranean Escape. Imagine a warm evening in Greece, where the aroma of freshly grilled seafood fills the air. This is the essence of a Mediterranean outdoor kitchen. Such a kitchen often features rustic stonework, terracotta tiles, and wrought iron accents that transport you straight to a coastal villa. The charm of this setup lies in its simplicity and elegance, where a wood-fired pizza oven stands as the centerpiece. The outdoor dining area is often surrounded by olive trees and grapevines, providing a natural canopy. This setup is perfect for hosting intimate gatherings where guests can enjoy the flavors of the Mediterranean without leaving your backyard. It's like having a slice of the Greek Isles right at home. 2. Modern Minimalist Haven. For those who appreciate clean lines and a clutter-free environment, the modern minimalist outdoor kitchen is a dream come true. This design focuses on sleek stainless steel appliances, smooth concrete surfaces, and a neutral color palette. Such a setup is not only visually appealing but also highly functional, with every element serving a purpose. The minimalist approach ensures that the focus remains on the food and the company, making it ideal for sophisticated gatherings. With smart lighting and automated gadgets, this kitchen is a blend of technology and style. It's like having a high-end restaurant in your own backyard, where every detail is meticulously planned. 3. Rustic Farmhouse Retreat. Step into a world where the countryside meets luxury. A rustic farmhouse outdoor kitchen captures the essence of rural charm with its wooden beams, stone countertops, and vintage accents. This style is all about warmth and coziness, making it perfect for family gatherings. Picture a large wooden table where everyone can come together, share stories, and enjoy a hearty meal. The use of natural materials creates a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing guests to feel connected to nature. It's the kind of space where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and savor the simpler things. 4. Tropical Paradise. If you dream of hosting parties by the pool with a cocktail in hand, a tropical-themed outdoor kitchen is your answer. This design is vibrant and lively, often featuring bamboo materials, thatched roofs, and colorful decor. It's like having a piece of the Caribbean right in your backyard. The kitchen is usually complemented by a tiki bar, where guests can enjoy tropical beverages under the stars. Lush greenery and exotic plants surround the area, creating an oasis-like feel. This setup is perfect for casual gatherings where sandals and sun hats are the dress code. It's all about relaxation and fun, bringing the vacation vibe home. 5. Industrial Chic Corner. For a contemporary and edgy look, the Industrial Chic outdoor kitchen is a standout choice. This style blends raw materials like metal, brick, and reclaimed wood to create a unique and bold statement. Think of it as turning an old warehouse into an entertainment hub. The industrial design is all about embracing imperfections and showcasing the beauty in raw, unfinished elements. It's a space that encourages creativity, where guests can gather around a large communal table made of reclaimed wood. With exposed pipes and Edison bulb lighting, this kitchen has a certain charm that appeals to the avant-garde crowd. It's a place where art meets function in the most unexpected ways. 6. Classic Elegance. For those who appreciate timeless beauty, a classic outdoor kitchen offers an air of sophistication. This design often includes elegant marble countertops, intricate moldings, and high-quality finishes. It's a space that exudes grace, perfect for hosting upscale dinner parties. The classic elegance setup is inspired by traditional European kitchens, where every detail is carefully curated. It's a place where chandeliers can hang above an outdoor dining table, and fine china can be used without hesitation. This kitchen style is all about creating an environment where guests feel special and pampered. It's like stepping into a scene from a classic film, where luxury is in every detail. 7. Coastal Chic Delight. Bring the beach to your backyard with a coastal chic outdoor kitchen. This style is characterized by light, airy colors, nautical accents, and weathered wood finishes. It's a setup that captures the essence of seaside living, even if you're miles away from the ocean. The coastal chic design is perfect for those who love the tranquility of the beach and want to incorporate that into their outdoor space. Imagine hosting a seafood feast where the sound of waves is replaced by the gentle rustle of leaves. This kitchen style offers a calming atmosphere, making it ideal for relaxed gatherings where the focus is on enjoying the moment. 8. Southwestern Fiesta. A southwestern outdoor kitchen is a celebration of vibrant colors and bold textures. Inspired by the rich culture and landscapes of the American Southwest, this design features adobe-style architecture, colorful tiles, and rustic wood elements. It's a space that invites guests to enjoy a fiesta with lively music and flavorful dishes. The southwestern kitchen is all about embracing the desert's warmth and creating a lively atmosphere. It's ideal for those who love to entertain with flair, offering a unique setting for events that are full of energy and excitement. This style is like a dance of colors and textures, where every element tells a story. 9. Japanese Zen Escape. For those seeking peace and tranquility, a Japanese Zen outdoor kitchen is the perfect retreat. This design focuses on harmony, simplicity, and natural elements. It's all about creating a space that encourages relaxation and mindfulness. The Japanese Zen kitchen often features bamboo finishes, stone elements, and minimalist decor. It's a place where the sound of water from a small fountain adds to the serene ambiance. This setup is ideal for intimate gatherings where the focus is on enjoying the present moment. It's a space that nurtures the soul, offering a calm and peaceful environment for both cooking and entertaining. 10. French Country Charm. Embrace the romance of the French countryside with a charming outdoor kitchen that exudes elegance and warmth. This style is characterized by wrought iron accents, vintage furniture, and soft pastel colors. It's a space that transports you to a quaint village in Provence, where time seems to slow down. The French country kitchen is perfect for hosting brunches and afternoon teas, offering a delightful setting for leisurely gatherings. It's a place where guests can enjoy fresh pastries and aromatic coffee under a pergola draped with climbing roses. This style is all about creating a romantic and inviting atmosphere, where every detail adds to the charm. 11. Bohemian Rhapsody. For the free-spirited and artistic souls, a bohemian outdoor kitchen offers a space that is as unique as it is eclectic. This design is all about mixing and matching colors, patterns, and textures to create a vibrant and lively environment. It's a setup that encourages creativity and self-expression, with no rules or boundaries. The bohemian kitchen often features handmade tiles, colorful textiles, and an array of plants. It's a space where guests can feel relaxed and inspired, making it perfect for casual gatherings where spontaneity is welcomed. This style is like a canvas, where every element adds to the overall masterpiece. 12. Scandinavian Simplicity. Embrace the beauty of simplicity with a Scandinavian outdoor kitchen that focuses on functionality and minimalism. This design is characterized by clean lines, neutral colors, and natural materials. It's a space that offers a sense of calm and order, making it perfect for those who appreciate understated elegance. The Scandinavian kitchen is all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, where guests can feel at ease. It's a place where the focus is on quality over quantity, with every element serving a purpose. This style is ideal for those who love to entertain in a space that feels uncluttered and harmonious. 13. Eclectic Fusion. For those who love to break the mold, an eclectic outdoor kitchen offers a space that is as diverse as it is exciting. This design is all about mixing different styles, materials, and colors to create a one-of-a-kind environment. It's a setup that reflects the personality of its owner, with each element telling a story. The eclectic kitchen is perfect for those who love to entertain with flair, offering a unique setting for gatherings that are full of surprises. It's a space where creativity knows no bounds, making it ideal for those who love to think outside the box. 14. Italian Villa Inspiration. Transport your guests to the rolling hills of Tuscany with an outdoor kitchen that captures the essence of an Italian villa. This style is characterized by warm earth tones, terracotta tiles, and wrought iron accents. It's a space that exudes rustic charm and sophistication, making it perfect for hosting elegant dinner parties. The Italian villa kitchen is all about creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere, where guests can enjoy the flavors of Italy in a beautiful setting. It's a place where the aroma of freshly baked bread and herbs fills the air, offering a sensory experience that is both delightful and memorable. 15. Urban Oasis. For city dwellers who crave a touch of nature, an Urban Oasis outdoor kitchen offers a retreat from the hustle and bustle. This design is characterized by lush greenery, modern furnishings, and innovative use of space. It's a setup that brings the outdoors into the city, creating a serene and tranquil environment. The Urban Oasis kitchen is perfect for those who love to entertain in a space that feels like a hidden gem. It's a place where guests can escape the noise and chaos of city life, enjoying a moment of peace and relaxation. This style is all about creating a sanctuary where nature and urban living coexist harmoniously.